Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here's how. Take the heaviest, lidded pot you have. Cast iron is ideal, and cover the bottom with a single layer of kernels. Pour water over top of the kernels until they're covered, but not floating. Put the covered pot on the burner, and turn the heat on medium-high. Periodically shake the pan.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Butter or oil isn't necessary to make popcorn kernels pop. From what I can tell, adding butter or oil to your pot on the stove is mainly there for flavor, and maybe to keep the outsides of the kernels from burning. Instead, all you need to make your fresh kernels pop is a non-stick pot with a tight-fitting lid.
Take our lead.
Yes, but it depends on how it's prepared. Your homemade popcorn, without butter, only has about 30 to 35 calories per cup. You can eat a few cups of it in the afternoon without blowing your healthy meal plan. The fiber in popcorn will keep you full between meals and even help with digestion.
Take our lead.
Answer. Butter pop in a pan. Make your popcorn in a pot instead of using a microwave. It's easy, and cheap. And instead of using oil as most recipes require, go with melted butter. Voila, butter-hinted popcorn.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.